you said very clearly to your person, you had warned your person. This isn't something out of the blue. You were very specific for them not to do whatever it is that they've done. This could be infidelity. This could be things to do with addictions, right? And so you have set out these boundaries, and they have ignored these boundaries. They feel like they betrayed themselves. They do feel shame. They do feel regret. This isn't a narcissist. This isn't somebody who has purposely come to hurt you in the relationship. This is somebody who has messed up. I'm not giving an excuse for the behavior, but that's what it's coming through. This is just somebody who's messed up. And they are in pain because of themselves, knowing what they've done to themselves. They know that they sabotaged the relationship. They know that they messed it up, and they know it's all on them. And they know the pain that they've caused you, and they're very aware of the pain that they've caused themselves. This person is hurting. There's also something around like friends or community around you that is also pulled them up on it, or they're either not speaking to them, or they've pulled them up on it, or there's like shame, there's guilt around that, around the community that you have around you. For some of you, they got someone else pregnant. For others, it's high addiction. They know really that they gave you no option but to cut them off. They know they gave you no option but to do that. And that's what you did, right? I feel like there's a lot of gossip here. So there's either like gossip, or people are talking about things. You're hearing a lot. There's something about communication with other people here. I feel like they was always trying to want you, but never really treat you how they truly felt about you. This person comes through as very insecure. They come through as having some issues where they need healing over. It's not your job to heal them, but you're very aware of that, right? So they come through that they never fully gave you the potential that they have of their love, affection, care. There is lies, there is sneaky behavior, a lot of lies and deceit. What it is, it doesn't matter what it is, whether it's infidelity, drugs, alcohol, all of that we spoke about, gambling, whatever it is, that's not the issue. I feel for some of you as well that they got caught on a dating site, because they're showing me a dating site, a dating app. It's the fact of the lies and the deceit and the betrayal. Those are the things, and they feel that, like they feel that heavy energy of being someone who is deceitful, and they don't feel good about that. You are doing amazing at the moment. I know this has been tough for you, but I feel like in the last couple of years, you have actually really elevated in your life, and you got to the point where this hasn't broke you. If this had happened to you a while ago, something like this would have broke you. This hasn't broke you, okay? I'm just going to pull some of my correspondence cards here and see what's being said there. I'm seeing blue. Somebody has a blue coat, and someone has a blue coat hung up by the door, okay? I'm seeing some Ugg boots, like a very dark browny type Ugg boots. Communication, they're coming through with this communication. Deep-rooted. This person's trauma is deep-rooted, and that insecurity that they have is deep-rooted. What else is coming through? Grounded. You're very grounded. You're grounding your energy. Desire. They want you. They want to get back with you. Now, I do feel that there is strong potential for this relationship to work, but only if you got like relationship counseling or something. It would only work like that, right? Angels, your angels are guiding you. Withdrawn. I feel like during the relationship they would withdraw at time, and they didn't have healthy boundaries. They didn't respect your boundaries. So as far as star signs, what do we have here? What has come through? I can feel very strong earth and water coming through. So Pisces, Scorpio, Cancer, and Virgo, Capricorn, Taurus. And mine went blank. And I'm a Taurus moon.